Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about something important for all of us, especially our wonderful seniors in their 70s, joint health senior stretching without shoulder pain. Easy to follow at home. That's right, we're diving into gentle stretches to keep your shoulders happy and healthy, all from the comfort of your home. No pain, just gain. As we age, our bodies change, sometimes bringing aches. Shoulder pain can be annoying, affecting daily activities. But don't worry, today, we're arming you with knowledge and effective, easy-to-do exercises. Let's make shoulder pain a thing of the past and embrace a more active, joyful life. First of all, let's understand why shoulder pain might be creeping in. Many times, the root cause isn't just the shoulder itself, but tightness in your chest muscles. Prolonged sitting and poor posture can cause chest muscles to tighten, pulling shoulders forward, out of alignment, and straining joints. As we age, muscle loss and joint degeneration make shoulders more susceptible to stiffness and pain. It's not just physical discomfort, it can affect confidence and quality of life. So, managing shoulder pain is crucial for reclaiming your zest for life. Now, before we jump into the fun stuff, let's go over some golden rules for stretching, especially for our senior audience. Safety first, always. Rule 1, listen to your body. Avoid any movements that cause pain. We want gentle stretches, moving within a comfortable, pain-free range. Rule 2, start slow and go gradual. Begin with shorter durations and fewer repetitions, then gradually increase. Rule 3, consistency is key. Make stretching a part of your daily routine. Rule 4, warm up. Do light movements to get joints and muscles ready. Rule 5, cool down. A warm shower or compress helps relax muscles. Important, if severe or persistent pain, consult a healthcare professional. A warm compress before and after exercises can also make them more comfortable and effective. All right, let's get to the good part. Here are some fantastic stretches that are safe and effective for seniors, designed to ease shoulder discomfort. Remember, gentle and steady wins the race. First up, the doorway chest stretch. This one is a real gem for opening up tight chest muscles. Stand in a doorway, place forearms on each side of the doorframe, with elbows bent at 90 degrees. Gently step 1 foot forward, leaning your body slightly through the doorway, until you feel a gentle stretch across your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Don't force it, avoid bouncing. This helps counteract forward shoulder posture. Next, let's try the shoulder pendulum swing. This is classic for a reason. It's super gentle and great for improving mobility. Bend forward at your waist, about 90 degrees, and support yourself by placing one hand on a table or chair. Let your other arm hang loosely towards the floor. Gently swing that arm like a pendulum, first side to side, then front to back. You can also make small circles. Let gravity do the work. This helps lubricate the shoulder joint and ease stiffness. Following that, we have the scapular squeeze. This exercise targets shoulder blades, helping to improve posture and strengthen supporting muscles. Sit or stand tall. Gently pull your shoulders back and down, as if squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. Hold for 5-10 seconds, then release. Make sure you're not shrugging. Focus on squeezing shoulder blades together. You can also try against a wall stand with your back against a wall. Gently push shoulders back into the wall, trying to flatten shoulder blades. This helps open your chest and realign shoulders. Another excellent one is the towel stretch. Grab a small hand towel. Hold one end with your right hand and drape it over your right shoulder down your back. Reach behind your back with your left hand and grasp the other end. Gently pull the towel upwards with your right hand, feeling a stretch in your left shoulder and arm. Hold, then switch hands and repeat on the other side. This is fantastic for improving shoulder range of motion. Let's also touch upon the modified push-up. Traditional push-ups can be tough on shoulders, but a modified version is excellent for building strength safely. Kneel on the floor, placing hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keeping your back straight, slowly lower your chest towards the floor by bending your elbows, then push back up. This version takes pressure off your lower back and shoulders, making it more accessible and safer. If you feel any pain, stop immediately. Now, a few crucial precautions. Avoid overdoing it, especially with strength training. Heavy lifting can injure shoulder joints. We're aiming for gentle strengthening and flexibility. If you feel your shoulder tiring or aching during any exercise, take a break. Pushing through pain can lead to injury. Consistency over intensity is our mantra. Short, regular sessions are more beneficial than sporadic, intense ones. One more thing, if you have frozen shoulder, stretching might vary by stage. Consult your doctor or physical therapist. They can guide you. Shoulder stabilization exercises can also be helpful, strengthening muscles around your joint for better support. And there you have it, folks. A guide to gentle, effective shoulder stretches for seniors. We've covered the why, golden rules, and exercises. Remember, your body is incredible with care and consistent effort. You can keep your shoulders strong, flexible, and pain-free. Don't let shoulder pain hold you back. Incorporate these stretches, listen to your body, and consult a professional if needed. Thank you for joining us. And here's to healthy, happy shoulders. See you next time.